go ahead and give you the permit, and then you go come turn off the party and no crime not happen on the said night. In that you say, alright, starting Monday, we are going to have a lockdown, just get up and lockdown in place. Then lockdown our small businesses, for example, few regular restaurants, few regular bars. And the club them open, regular club can open, and KFC now lock. The gathering, me I try to understand. It's like, you have churches, you have other places, market, you have the church, you have the market, you have the parties. None of that no go on at the party. It go on at the market, right? Then I lock down the market. Me a God-fearing person, you know, but at the same time, what happened to the gathering at the church? The church is able to perform and do everything with them to do, and we can't do nothing. We can't go nowhere. We come like a slave to this. That me want to know, me don't understand.
So what do you think about this meeting?
The meeting don't make no sense because all oration come and talk about is say people used to only buy anything on December. Everybody a work hard, and if you feel that anything you want to drink and anything make you head no hurt you or anything give you a vibe, you can't afford to buy anything. Nobody not kill nobody for anything. Why are anything the problem? Anything alone are the topic in there where you must say everything matter about anything. So you not talk nothing pertaining to what we are talking about. So we lock down, we want to keep a party. The drink out is a weekly event. Everybody have a day when I feed them one is a partner. You're supposed to get a partner, get back your support, get back your strength. People are waiting people. People are raised chicken for the event. People are raised hog for the event. People are then look goat and some every little thing contributes to this, and nobody now did they talk for we.
Yeah, nobody care about the money where you push out already.
Yeah, remember if you buy 200 pound of chicken and have it on fridge, put on season, it can't do. It can't use. Some of them are trust people, trust them. You trust liquor, all kind of something.
Parish council,
what is that?
Give back your money, you know.
We pay our money at the parish council, and we still, before we can get the permit, we still have to come back at the station and pay for 4 other police or 5 other police, depends on the event, $48,000. You have to pay for the event again. And yet, let me tell you about security and this and that we pay for. Remember saying that we keep a party, you say we need 4 police. We not go against it. We go ahead, we pay for it, we sign off with. When the party come now, them same and I said no difference the police gonna look after. That don't make no sense. So when we go from here, they must then have places where they just want to relax certain places. But what are the places where we go ahead? We can be able to keep the event. There's no here for us to keep the event. They say we can keep it inside of one club. And by the time we're in the club by 10 o'clock, you can turn off it. And a club have a 4 o'clock license. We're not putting no extra boxes in there. So the club license is supposed to can remain for work for your party. And we still can turn off the party by 10 o'clock. It actually the police station, and in the police station here, a party, a club will keep right through. So I don't understand.
They must oppress people.
And everything at my Manchester, the first place in lockdown are entertainment. When it not have nothing to do with nothing, entertainment get beaten.
I don't want to
I hit we live by, and everyone we go to school, go well educated, we can sit down on computer. I hit we live off.
Every crime
I hit we live off.
In Manchester, them know about it. Everybody
that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it makes sense, but when Dr. Arias Chang in that talk say, I scramble, and he need one interpreter to tell you where he must say, because nobody in the understand him. Say, he have nothing to do with it. Nothing whatsoever. He have nothing to do with it.
You're disappointed in the meeting?
Very much. Waste of time. I could be at my shop trying to see if I can sell some for police and go lucky bar. Because you have to try for us to know if we can do it from early, see who can come out from by 8, 9 o'clock, you have to think about it. And if the police then even not come, the person them now come out become supported because them expect certain things. And nothing in a full year, nothing now going out here, and we still feel it. We have the chef them. We have people who help to share. We have selector. We have people who do decoration. All kind of persons depend on this. Why you come out to talk about anything? Why you come out to talk about anything? Nobody can work. And people, the chef them come out a weekend to go work and them pay their local partner. Some of them pay one local drink code. Nobody can pay. Nobody can do no work. They can't do no work. Me never see this yet.
Scammer, you talk about scammer.
None of we in the now do scamming because first thing you have to get a permit for them and then ask you so many questions. They run all kind of this and that to know if you're liable to get a permit. So why when you give a permit then afterwards you still get a problem? I will pay police to come do security work and you still do talking.